कोविड-19 बादचो आणि उपचार म्हूण सुमार 89.90% लोक आयुष वखदांचेर पातयेवन रावले म्हूण मंत्रालयाचो अभ्यास सांगता.
Ayush has a lot of contribution for the COVID management in our country, and traditional medicines was widely accepted. We had a study on impact assessment, and we found that 89.9% of Indian population has used Ayush modalities during COVID as a prophylaxis, as a prevention, as a treatment, and this with the sample size of more than 1.42 crore, it's a 14.2 million sample size, which is more than 1% of the total population.
अगले आने वाले 2 साल के बाद मेरे ख्याल से हम 100 का आंकड़ा पार करने का हमारा कोशिश रहना चाहिए, वो निश्चित रूप से रहेगी. गोवा बहुत निसर्ग संपन्न प्रदेश है. हमारे आयुष मंत्रालय के प्रयास से हमारा ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट का इनॉग्रेशन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के हाथ कर कमलों द्वारा होगा. नया एयरपोर्ट का भी काम बनेगा. उसके साइड में सिंधुदुर्ग में और एक इंस्टीट्यूट हमने लाया है, ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्लांट के लिए, कि यहाँ जो निसर्ग संपन्नता है, यहाँ का जो सह्याद्री में जो मेडिसिनल प्लांट है उसका सृजन हो और नए तरीके का प्लांटेशन हो. जो वनस्पति हमें चाहिए तो यहाँ उसका उत्पादन हम कर सकते हैं, रोजगार भी इससे और दे सकते हैं.
Ayurveda is also emerging and getting the recognized at a global level, and I urge the Ayurveda practitioner to explore the opportunities. The people are also giving the great importance to Ayurveda and meditations in terms of the pre-pregnancy, the pregnancy and post-pregnancy period to have the healthy progeny. The Garbha Sanskar is being referred as commonly is in itself exclusively area that can be concentrated upon and pursue as a successful career by the practitioner. Through the discourse and interactions in these 4 days, we must spread the word about the greatness in our traditional system of medicines, which can show away the world, create the healthy and awakened society.
For the first time, Ayurveda is being taken seriously, and there are expos and there are conferences, there are interactions, and also globally people are carrying out different types of research on the science of Ayurveda, and we are getting to know about it. In the small state of Goa, we would like to, under the leadership of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, today we are very happy to be a partner with the Vigyan Bharati and the Ayush Ministry, and to host this 9th World Ayurvedic Conference in Arogya Expo. With his leadership, I am sure we'll be able to make more strides in taking Ayurveda and also creating this wellness and holistic medicine approach. And Goa, I am sure, will lead the way and take it forward.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकिक शिलकार आणि साहिल मांद्रेकार.